Seal your electrical system now and prevent costly repairs and downtime in the future. Sealed multiple wire inline connectors are made with our new seamless step-down barrel and are insulated with a specialized adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing. The connector has indicators to ensure the barrel is crimped in the proper location, colored stripes on either end to indicate the wire size and/or crimp die, a window for inspection to ensure the wires are properly seated, a wire stop to prevent over-insertion, and a uniform copper wall for a sound mechanical crimp. The multiple wire connector differs from the step-down line of connectors in that it uses a very active free-flowing adhesive that is designed to seal multiple wires. The special tubing is clear for visual inspection, and the color-coded stripe indicates the wire gauge for the connector. In environments where corrosion and/or vibration are a problem, the inline connector can be used to replace these existing methods of multiple wire terminations. To install the sealed multiple wire inline connector, do the following. For the side of connector where 2 wires will be inserted, strip the wires 5/8 of an inch. Select a connector that matches the wire gauge and insert the 2 wires into the larger side of the connector. Make sure that both wires are properly seated and crimp the connector using the nest that matches the color stripe on the larger side of the connector barrel. For the side of the connector where 1 wire will be inserted, strip wire 5/16 of an inch. Insert the wire into the smaller side of the connector. Make sure the wire is properly seated and crimp the connector using the nest that matches the color stripe on the smaller side of the connector barrel. Apply heat evenly around the length of the tubing, including the crimp area, from the center out to the ends until the tubing fully recovers and the adhesive flows. Remove the heat, make sure the ends are sealed, and let cool. Sealed multiple wire connectors are also available in a closed-end style. Closed-end connectors are crimped on the end cap to provide a superior mechanical termination. The tubing has a very active free-flowing adhesive that is designed to seal multiple wires and to eliminate wire pullout. The tubing is clear for visual inspection, and the color-coded stripe indicates the wire gauge for the connector. In environments where corrosion and/or vibration are a problem, the closed-end connector can be used to replace wire nuts and unsealed end caps. To install the sealed multiple wire closed-end connector, do the following. Select the proper size of connector for the wires to be joined. Strip each wire 5/8 of an inch. Insert all wires into the connector. Make sure that each wire is properly seated and crimp the connector using the nest that matches the color dash on the heat shrink tubing. Apply heat evenly to the tubing until the tubing fully recovers and the adhesive flows. Do not heat the crimp area, since this will burn the plastic portion of the connector. Remove the heat, make sure the ends are sealed, and let cool.